Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. That helps us a lot, and thank you very much. Here we are for the beezing in a room. Look at the stuff all over the place. Nothing new, eh?
You can fit 4 top can bad boys. Four cans.
Okay.
Matters Buffalo. Welcome to Very Important Visitors. Ready, set, beats. Buffaloes are cute. Austin Paul. Okay, let me unblock everybody. Should I unblock everybody or no? If they're mean, S-Jam, I know. I need help. I need to hire a cleaner. Who wants to come do it for $200?
Ha ha ha, yeah, right.
I'll give you the rest of the money on payday. Unblock everybody. No, people are mean to me about Natter. I don't want to hear it. Okay.
Oh, I'm sure this is gonna be a good night.
I want to put makeup on.
I'm sure.
I want to put music on. We're drinking Moscato today. Jacob's Creek. Sweetie! You're not getting any creamy dairy treats right now. I give you chicken stew. Fucking unblock. Only because you guys don't like hanging out here unless you're shit talking to me with each other. I'll just ignore you guys. You can make fun of me. I'll talk to people like Sofa King and Plain Cheese, Lambo, all my friends behind the scenes. Thanks, Emerald. I'm gonna clean, guys. You know it. Fuck.
She is not.
Why has my revenue gone down? I need money to friggin' entertain you guys. Okay, here we go.
You mean
Derek
lie?
Stench. Linda, I hate this person. They're always fucking rude. Why do I have to unblock these people? Nabs. I'm pretty sure that person is Negs. Wilhelmina. Okay, Liliana, I guess I'll unblock you. Abby. Wilhelmina.
There you guys
Who
go.
else?
Run fast. Get back in here for her. She needs your money.
Accountable Beauty, I guess, but you better not be an
Whatever.
asshole. I'm kidding. L. Alright, people, please don't be assholes. Thank you very much. I don't find the pagan grandma in here. Let me try.
Let her try.
I cleared my blocked word list? Wait. I think it's done. Wait. Yeah.
Well, there you have it. She's unblocking you guys. Just wanted you to see that part real quick. Love you, treasures. Remember, you're all beautiful. She's going to do something? Nope. See you on the next one.